What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Coco here. So oftentimes when I am looking for foundations, I like to go to YouTube, look up a review video for the foundation shade that complements my skin tone. Oftentimes I have a hard time trying to find a video for foundation shades in my skin complexion range. When that happens, I often like to purchase the foundation that I feel like is closest to my skin tone, and I will make the review video that I wish was out there for me to see. So such is the case with this Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence. It's like a skin tint by CoverGirl. I was interested in these two shades, Tan Rich-65 and Rich-70, but I couldn't differentiate which was the better shade. So I tried to go on YouTube to see if there was a review video for these shades, and I couldn't find one. I mean, I'm quite sure there's a review video probably for these shades out there somewhere, but it was not coming up for me. So here I am making the review video that I wish was out there for me to see. So once again, I have Tan Rich, which I think this is a new shade. This just released. Ignore my nails. I gotta do them. I did my fill-in, but I gotta finish them off. This is the new one, Tan Rich-65, and this is the one that has already been around. The shade range for this is very minimal. I think it's like maybe 12 shades, 12 or 13 shades, I think, which is kind of sad. But so maybe they'll be like, just like they added the Tan Rich, maybe they'll be gradually adding more shades in. So according to the CoverGirl, so this product, the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence Foundation is a skincare and makeup hybrid that can be worn alone as a skin boosting treatment, as a sheer cover up, or with foundation as a skin perfecting primer. Oh, you can prime with this. Okay. It's formulated with 0.5% bakuchi oil, a plant-based retinol alternative that's perfect for skin, that's perfect for sensitive skin. And I think retinol, since this is comparable to retinol, so the bakuchi oil it's an anti-aging product that smooths the skin, and I think it promotes collagen as well. Don't quote me on that. I am not a dermatologist or an esthetician, okay? So it also contains tranexamic acid. Did I say that right? Which fades the appearance of dark spots. The foundation is thicker than other Essence products, but is still lightweight. It comes with 8 shades. Oh, it's only 8 shades, you guys. Goodness. And it hydrates the skin for up to 24 hours. Okay, so I actually have already did my skincare. I moisturized, but I'm going to matte prime my oily areas. Okay, you guys, so I'm going in with the 65 Tan Rich. Let's see how this, love how it's got the little beads of foundation. Oops, little beads of foundation within the serum. I like that. I feel like I might need to add in the darker 70. Let me see how the 65 looks first. I feel like I might need to add. Yeah, we're going to have to add the 70 because it's just looking a little ashy there. A little, not my skin complexion. Okay, so we have the 70 on. And let's see. So the 70 definitely transforms the color, I will say. Because I feel like the 70 would have been too dark. And obviously the 65 was too light. All right, you guys, so how are we thinking it's looking? I gotta blend a little bit more of my hairline, but this is what we have. The 65 Tan Rich and 70 Rich. What are we thinking? I must say though, before I finish, I like how it's hydrating and glowy and skin-like. Okay, you guys, so we are back and the face is beat and the result is from the CoverGirl Skin Perfector Essence. As you've seen, I did have to end up mixing these together for my personal complexion. I was a little worried when I just used the 65, but I mixed it with the 70 and it panned out really, really good. Yeah, so if you are my complexion and were wondering about, you know, what shade to get, personally, I did mix these. So if you're my complexion, close to it, 70 and 65 are good selections to mix. CoverGirl, I'm looking forward to you guys coming out with a more extended range of the colors of this, because I love the formula, I love the serum, and I feel like everybody, no matter their complexion, should be able to experience the greatness of this formula. So I will see if I can tag these products in this video for there to be a link for you guys to go and purchase them. But if not, I did get these from Amazon. You can probably obviously get these from covergirl.com, Ulta, Sephora, all the makeup wonderland places that provide us with the fabulous makeup products. So I'm Coco, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried this, by the way. Bye-bye. Oh, it's video. Oops.